Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can uninstall Roshade Shader from your Roblox. So in order to do that, first you need to download Roshade installer. So let me show you how to do that. First you want to search for Roshade download. Once you search for Roshade download, first option download Roshade, click on it. Once you click on it, it'll take you to Roshade's official website. From over here, you can download the pro version if you have money, but if you want to download the free version, you want to click on download under light. Click on download and click on download again, and your Roshade will start to download. But first, you need to wait for 5 seconds until their ad finishes over here. Do not cross this website because you need to wait. Once this finishes, it'll start to download automatically. So just click on skip and it'll start to download just like this. Once it's downloading completed, what you need to do is go to your downloads folder. And from inside downloads folder, you need to click on Roshade setup just like this. This is the thing which I just downloaded. Once you double click on the Roshade installer, the installer should open up. Now once the installer opens up, the uninstall button over here is going to be highlighted. Now I haven't installed Roshade, that's why it's only showing me install. But in your PC, if you already have Roshade, then the uninstall button is also going to be highlighted. You just want to click on the uninstall button and your Roshade will be uninstalled. So that's how you guys can uninstall Roshade from your PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.